What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we're gonna finally complete the machine at Lake with my friends right here. He already fully completed it, but there's some guy that hasn't, so might as well complete the thing today. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, because this video would not be possible without these two people. I got flashbang. Wait, watch out! Alright, I can use some research. Yes, I got a research point. Alright. Guys, I'm sorry for using that voice. I was just trying to... Wait. Revive him. Alright, come on. But anyways, if you guys want, my fan code is Brett, which these two people are in. So if you ever want to meet me in game and Animal Company, just join my fan code Bread.
Wait, how many subs do you have?
20 to 21. Haven't checked yet. I checked like 10 minutes ago, but I think I got a new sub. I'm at 20 though. I'm right now. It's fine if you don't have to, but I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers in the next month. But I am on school break. I am graduating to 8th grade. My voice is light. I skipped a grade.
Oh, you're the same grade as me.
I'm about to graduate to 8th. So, yeah, this is what we need. Uranium. Kill the mimic. Oh?
Jump off the edge. Oh shoot.
Get the uranium. No, don't use the light.
Bro, Mimic, quit it, bro.
Quit it, Mimic. Mimic, come here.
Mimic.
I'm so cute. Kill him. Gotta kill him.
Let
Kill
him fall off the edge.
Ouch, Mimic. Calm down.
Here, do this.
Ouch. Yeah, fall. Alright. Keep your light off. Oh yeah, guys. Soon, I will do a video on the best money methods in Animal Company. So, just like and subscribe, and you might be able to see that video when it comes out.
Oh, turn on the light, Rookie.
No, don't. You can't. There's a ghost lady.
I know, I'm just trying
Make
to
sure you get as much uranium as you can. It doesn't matter the size. See your.
I'm trying to go to the next uranium port.
Oh, alright, we're ready here. Haven't been in this area. Have not been in Zero Graph since it came out. The noise is annoying. Alright. Alright. Oh, I did not know that you could get research points from... Alright, now that this sounds cool.
Research points from everything.
I did not know that.
Yo, why are you leaving on the
I am gonna mine all of this. This is my area. Oh shit. But... Oh. Alright.
Bro, why is no one taking the small pieces?
I'm trying to, but I can't. You can have them. Alright, let me fix my pickaxe. Guys, if you haven't already, just like and subscribe. It is my dream to become a popular YouTube creator that I want to be featured on the community spotlight for Gorilla Tag and get the content creator hat on Animal Company. Always try to aim for the medium to big pieces to fill up the machine
I for
quicker.
all of them. I don't really care.
To get the machine quicker, I am going to personally get the medium to big pieces. Alright, I'm at 4 research points. No. How full are your book bags? Alright, let me get full. Alright,
I'm almost full because I have a small bag.
Ooh. Guys.
I have medium bag, not small.
You better get pissed. Come here.
I'm going back, guys. I'm going back.
Wait for me.
Hell no.
My book bag's almost full. Give me a second.
Hell no. I'm full. I'm coming too.
Alright, give me my book bag. I barely. No, you're. Oh, wait. It's fun that now we're getting challenges. Make the game feel a lot smoother and actually something now to do. When the update comes out, I hope it's something big. People are hinting towards a live event, which I'm kind of positive that they might have. Because if you think about it, Animal Company is one of the most popular VR games at the moment, behind Gorilla Tag. So I think it'll be likely that they can start live events to get more active players. Because unlike Gorilla Tag, Animal Company is unique in the way that Animal Company combines both Lethal Company, or what, you know the game I'm talking about, guys. It's hard to focus with the sound, but I am almost done collecting. I say I'm crazy, I say, baby girl, money is taco, I'm crazy, and you leave me when he found me. Alright, I am full, so I am just gonna hold on to this piece, but now I can get out of this place. How would I go though? Because Ogre's right there.
Guys, my uranium bag is over there at the left. No, you can put it in if you want.
I'm back. Alright.
Bruh.
Well, now, as you know. Oh shoot, I can die. As you know, I did complete the silver already, but have not completed this, so. Wait, let me complete. Wait, bro. Yo, don't collect my stuff. Don't collect my stuff. Don't collect my stuff. Don't collect my stuff. Cause I can't get it. I can't get it. Let me do it. Let me do it. No, let me do it. Yo, let me do it. Let me do it. I don't have it.
Bag.
I don't have it completed yet.
Me neither.
Yes, you do. You got the hat already. You already got the hat. You got the hat. You completed it already. You completed it already. You got the hat. Look. Look.
I want more.
You're not getting any money out of this. You know that, right? Bro, really? Really, man?
Crazy.
Bro, I'm not even done with it. Bro, I wasn't even done with it yet. Who just blew me up?
That
Why would
guy.
he blow us up? I wasn't done
He
with
likes
it.
touching me.
I just lost it.
Yeah.
Bro, I just lost everything. I just lost all of it.
It's okay. It's okay.
Now I don't want to head back over there. I'm at 43. Bro, you just cost me. Bro, you made me lose the bag. I'm not even completed with it yet. You just made me lose the bag.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Bro, that's not cool. I just lost my bag. I can't complete it now. So
LeBron! Aw.
all that to miss. Bro, you owe me uranium. You got any uranium left?
Nope. Scheiße.
Anyways, let me see if I have any. I'm also hosting giveaways. Yeah, like got my large uranium.
Fluff you.
Like, I mean, I don't need this anymore.
Oh no.
Let me just. It's too big. I don't think it fits. Alright, I need some more.
Bozo.
I'm at 46 out of the 50.
Yo, bro! Watch out behind you! Behind you! LeBron!
Bro, you just made me. You're now killing me for no reason. What's the point with playing? What's the point with playing of you guys? Y'all just made me lose everything after I helped you out.
Me?
Yeah,
He
you.
did it. I didn't.
They must pay for this.
I didn't do shit.
They
bro. I
must
didn't do
pay
shit.
for this.
Do you,
You
have
guys
uranium?
must pay.
If you have uranium, I'll dupe it for you. Oh, my PC!
You want more? You want
Yeah.
more? Get uranium.
I
And
can
I'll
still
stop.
function with this, bro. I can still function with this.
Yeah, I need more uranium.
Alright, buddy. Give me that. What is this?
I don't really want that lag bag. You can have it. It's just a lag bag.
I should be.
There goes a leg bag.
Money. Money.
Y'all both look good, if you know what I mean.
Oh,
Say thank you. Say
Thank you. Thank you.
Good boy.
I don't have any more uranium.
Huh?
That sucks to be you. Good thing you don't know my username, so you can't report me. No, it didn't work. It didn't
Alright.
work. It didn't work.
If you see ALW2012, report him. And if you say Bongos LO82, report him as well.
What did
I'm
you
just
do?
joking. I'm just
What did
joking.
you
Don't.
do?
I was just joking. Chill out. Chill out. I'm not. No one report those two guys. They're kind of gay, I know, but chill. Don't report.
Gay? Oh,
Yeah, and you missed. Right
No, you
down
got- I
doors.
didn't miss. You
La,
went in
la,
there before I
la,
could kill you.
chase. They told me once. I said,
Fuck. I can't eat shit when I'm big.
damn. Damn. Now you're Red Watch. No, he's Red Watch, so I can legally now do this without having to pay any consequence. Now it's to get some kind of money in return, always throw stuff in here. As you can see, I can't get my money back. Not instantly, but
Yeah, bro, I agree.
why did you get there? I gotta kill him. I hate these trees. In the new update, the trees got worse. Cause their hitboxes. Kobe!
Crazy.
I'ma go in a different code to get some more uranium. Since those two dumb pieces of stupidity kind of got mine. I'm not gonna spend crazy amount of money. But hope you guys enjoyed this video of me grinding to try and complete whatever that thing is, that machine. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. But this is gonna be it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.